And today we get to review the DYU King 750 electric mountain bike. You ready to ride? Let's dive in the specs. The DYU King 750 is a powerful, fat tire electric mountain bike with upgrades across the board. It's equipped with a 750-watt hub motor that can take this versatile e-bike up to a top speed of 28 miles per hour, and a 20 amp hour battery with a max range of 80 miles. As we stated before, the King 750 is powered by a rear hub 750 nominal watt motor with a peak output of 900 watts and 75 Newton meters of torque. In other words, this e-bike has some pickup and go to it. This motor brings the King 750 to a top speed of 28 miles per hour using the half grip twist throttle or the speed sensing pedal assist. This electric mountain bike comes with a locking, removable 20 amp hour battery that completely disappears into the down tube. This battery offers a max pedal assist range of about 80 miles and a max throttle only range of nearly 50 miles. Now, that's pretty good. I mean, we rode this bike for half a day during our testing and I didn't see a dent in the battery charge. And because of the position of the battery, the King 750's center of gravity remains relatively low. This is great for those who want to take this machine off the beaten path. Even though it has an aluminum frame, the King 750 is heavy, weighing in at just under 100 pounds. The great news is that I couldn't really feel the weight of the King 750. This electric mountain bike is outfitted with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, offering plenty of stopping power. This is incredibly important for an electric mountain bike like this with a high 28 mile per hour top speed and a heavy 100-pound curb weight. 10 points added for safety. In the back of the King 750, we've got a Shimano 7-speed derailleur paired with the Shimano SIS index thumb shifter. The King 750 has an integrated headlight wired directly into the bike's battery. This is great as it means you'll never have to worry about changing out button cell batteries. If you've got juice in the tank, your lights will work. If you enjoy night rides as much as we do, you'll definitely want to grab an aftermarket light to adequately illuminate your trail. Still, I appreciate the added visibility this headlight adds. It'll help oncoming traffic spot you more easily. In the middle, we have a beautiful color display that looks like it's ripped straight from the 80s. Very Stranger Things vibes here. This display has all the information you need, like current speed, max speed, odometer, tripometer, and all the other usual goodies. Overall, the DYU King 750 electric mountain bike is a sweet ride with a powerful motor. I love that DYU went with the hydraulic disc brakes here, the added stopping power. I also love the front suspension and seat post suspension setup. It makes longer rides so much more enjoyable, and those who plan to use this as a commuter bike will definitely appreciate it. All right, that's it for the review of the DYU King 750 electric mountain bike.